Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today this is ZAYWORLDTECH. In this video we'll be talking about the Infinix Smart 6. Is it worth getting this phone in 2024? You may be using your iPhone and you feel okay, you want to get another Android, or you want to just get a new Android even if you're not using iPhone. You just want a new phone, an Android device, and maybe you'll be considering the Infinix Smart 6 and you really want to know what this phone is all about, the unboxing, the whole specification, every single thing about it, how it works. If that's what you want to know, please stick to the end of the video and don't go anywhere. Now the Infinix Smart 6, it came outside in 2021. It was announced October 2021, and so this phone is already 3 years old, but it's still functioning in the market. When it came outside, it was around 65 to 70,000, 75k, depending on your location in the country. However, so right now we'll be unboxing a new Infinix Smart 6. So what you actually get in this phone is just the phone, the charger, which is actually a strong 10 watts charger. We have the earphones. And that's just basically this is actually not too bad for the price, considering the value of naira in this present economy, alright. So it's not really that bad. Infinix is doing great, and also it all depends on the version you are buying, alright. If you are buying the one of 32 gig ROM, that is the inbuilt space. 32 gig ROM is that one comes with 2 gigs of RAM. If you are buying the one of 64 gig ROM, that is the inbuilt space, it comes with 3 gigs of RAM. This isn't really a bad bet if you are looking for a reasonable smartphone to use in 2024. Now this screen in length is only 6.6 inches. Now the screen resolution of this device is 720 by 1600 pixels, and the ratio is ratio 20:9. Now this phone operates on the Infinix XOS 7.6 and the Android version 11, Android Go version 11. The CPU is actually based on the octa-core processor, and every other information you can see on your screen according to GSM Arena. Now this phone has a glass front and actually has a plastic back. The back is actually very shiny, so it makes it look like something like that has glass in the back, but it's just plastic. But they made this plastic look shiny and the rest. Now the main downside we can get from this smartphone, after of the unboxing and tests and everything we've done with it, the camera is just 8 MP. That is actually the main back camera, 8 MP. Or when you are shooting videos with this phone, of course the highest resolution is 1080p, 30 frames per second. It's not like some other phones that might promise 60 frames per second, higher resolution that is more than the 1080p. But this one, the highest they gave you is 1080p and 30 frames per second. So now the front facing camera of this phone is actually 5 MP, and if you're making videos with it, the resolution is 720p, 30 frames per second. Alright, in fact it's not really a smartphone for making contents, I would say so, but for gaming and the rest. Yeah, now this phone comes with 5000 mAh battery, and this is not really a bad bet for this amount. These phone companies, they try to balance everything. You will get more battery, a good battery, and then you get a low camera and many other things. So it comes with the headphone jack, the regular 3.5mm jack, under the phone near the charging port there, the memory card slot, the SIM card slot, of course 2 SIM cards, nano SIM cards, the loudspeaker, Bluetooth, GPS, and every other features you can find in smartphones, especially in this phone. And one other feature that they added, which has been in the Samsung series, is the NFC. Now this is actually a faster way to share or to connect devices together. It's really common in some music players today. The phone also comes with the Face ID security feature, but it also has the fingerprint sensor for the security, and it's actually very fast and responsive. Now this phone comes in several different colors. The one I got here is ocean black, and we also have purple, we have ocean blue, and we have light sea green. Alright, it comes in just 4 colors though. Now since you want to get this phone in 2024, you should know the specifications already, before you buy it. We have some other Infinix series, alright, that promises more of camera and gives less battery, and we also have, so it depends on the priority or the line of the phone. Now this Smart now is basically about the processing speed. They claim to give more processing power to this phone and every other thing, battery and the rest, but of course it's not a camera phone, alright, unless you are buying the other Infinix series that promises more camera, like 32 MP, 16 MP, 64 MP camera and the rest. But this is just simply a smart and Infinix smartphone, right? It's not mainly meant for camera, but the battery life is really promising. So I made a video about the battery life. How long can this battery last? From 0 to 100%, how long can this battery last? I made a video which is in the description below or somewhere in your screen right here, which you can tap. But this device isn't that bad. You can also buy it and you can still remain in the game. It can do most of the things that every other device can do. every other smart device, Android device, can do. So this isn't really a bad choice. So before you buy, you should consider these specifications. All right. Now, if you found this video so helpful, please leave a like, thumbs up, and also don't forget to drop your comments if you have any issue with this device or anything that you think that I have not mentioned this device. Maybe you may be using this device right now, so you can also help the potential buyer to know more about this device based on your own thoughts and how you think this device have been after you've used it. All right, please feel free to check out the other videos on my channel right there. I have so many helpful videos, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.